Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new guide video. In today's video, we're taking a look at the way that you fix the YouTube Shorts playback error. Now, this is not a serious issue. If your videos or shorts on your YouTube platform is not playing, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. The first and the easiest method or the easiest solution is you can just hop out of the app of YouTube and then reopen it. By doing this step alone, you should be able to fix the issue. But if this is not the case for you, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the cache and data of your YouTube app. So tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to app info. If you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload your application. From this settings page, you can see the option called clear data. You can just tap on it and then tap on the clear data option. Apart from this, what you can also try out is uninstall the app of YouTube from your phone and then again reinstall it. By doing these couple of steps, you'll remove the glitches or minor bugs which may be causing this issue. Now, what you can also try out is try to check the videos if the videos are playing using a different device or even using your browser. You can just open up a browser of your choice and then head over to the platform of YouTube and try to see if the videos play on the web version. If they do play, and then it is likely a glitch on your phone. After you do these couple of steps that I just showed you, you should be able to fix the YouTube Shorts playback error. If this guide video did help you out, do let me know. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to be back soon with more videos just like this.